Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving the 0x8007005170. The file or directory is corrupted error you are experiencing on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what you're going to want to do is open up the Start menu, type in File Explorer. Best match should come back with File Explorer listed right above App, so go ahead and left click on that. Select this PC on the left side, and now locate whatever drive you're having the problem with. So let's just say it's our flash drive we're trying to copy files onto. You want to right click on it and then select Properties. Select the Tools tab, and then under Error Checking, this option will check the drive for file system errors. Go ahead and select Check. Select Scan Drive. I would recommend closing out of anything you might have had open on that drive nonetheless. It might say no errors were found, or maybe it did, who knows, but I would suggest restarting your computer, as well as unplugging and plugging your external drive back in, and hopefully it would have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.